So the target audience for Megadeals is really complex B2B sales and marketing, right? Or it's companies that are looking to scale and through doing large Megadeals, really scaling and transforming their business. So excited to be here today at the high-tech campus at Eindhoven, where we are going to be talking about Megadeals. And we're going to talk about the discipline, the formula of how the best Megadealers in the world orchestrate these large, complex deals.
The discipline increases your win rate and helps you sign these large, complex deals faster and at a lower cost.
So also looking at the entire ecosystem, not just your customer contact, but the whole decision-making unit and even beyond that, so who's influencing that.
If I'm looking at how I would do things different after today, I would say, even though I prepare my stuff pretty well, do that a little bit more, and especially the ecosystem. That was one thing I think I got from today, doing like all the work on the ecosystem so that you're 99%, maybe even 99.9% certain that this account can be successful. If you look at the broader community, that's a good one to work on even more than we're currently doing, and building on that consensus is a big part of closing the deal. If you don't do that, you're not going to close the deal. So that's definitely worth looking into more. So I would say the larger companies that are working on Megadeals like on a daily or weekly basis, I would definitely send at least the CMOs, maybe sales directors.
I think it was a great session, and also because the many examples that we got from the presenters and how it works and how it already worked for other companies.